Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If your Samsung power button is not working, then how to turn it on? If you want to fix this error, so keep the video till the end and follow my step. First solution is plug in the charger. Connect your device to a charger. Many Samsung devices automatically power on when charging. Second solution is use a computer. Connect your phone to a PC using a USB cable. Some device may be power on when connected. Solution 3, boot into recovery mode. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button while holding connect to device to a power source or computer. Release the power button when the logo or recovery screen appears. From there you can remove the device using the volume and power buttons to navigate. And the last solution, digital repair assistance. If the above option doesn't work, the power button may be new to the repair. Visit an authorized service center. By applying this method, maybe solve your problem. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.